Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on what you can do when you just close the lid of your laptop, how we can change that setting. So the first thing that you do is go into your search and type in power button and you will get this setting here. Click on that. It will open up the new way control and system settings are on Windows 11. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see lid and power and sleep controls. Now you can see you've got two sections, plugged in and on battery. So we want to look specifically on the closing the lid will make my PC. So you've got to make this change on the two settings for plugged in and on battery. So you change this and you can do shutdown, and you've got to do it on the second one on battery, and you can go shutdown. And because we are on this new way of looking at system settings, there is no save button. So just put that in and close the window, and then the next time you just shut the lid, it will shut down the computer. Now, because I don't want to do this, all you need to do is change it back to do nothing. Now you've got the other two options as well. You can make it sleep or you can go to hibernate, but I'll make it do nothing. And then that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions about this, please leave it in your comments and we will get back to you as soon as possible. And we'll see you on the next video. Again, thanks for watching.